Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check your bounty in Blox fruits. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the first thing would be simply for you to access a start aka bounty slash honor expert. So the thing is, if you just want to know the number you have, then you can go ahead access it first. And the thing that you have to know is, for the matter, you need to get out the information from the NPC, right? So if you would like to find the NPC to ask for the question regarding your bounty Blox fruit, go to the cafe, because the NPCs are always there, so you have to go there, and then inside the cafe you will be able to locate the NPC. Once you have found the NPC, you can go ahead and talk to them and ask about your. The thing is that if you need furthermore prompts and furthermore information, then the NPC will simply explain to you what you have to do more and what you have to access. Once you have done so, you will be able to know just likewise. So this is simply the process. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.